Hi, I'm Ann Luke, and I'm super excited to invite you to join me for Sketchbook Journaling 101. I am an artist, illustrator, and journaling guide. This workshop is probably different in any journaling that you may have or may have not done. We combine our words with very simple images, and I call it decorating your words. And not only images, but also pattern and color. I'm going to teach you about page layouts, whether you're right or left brain. I'll have a layout that you can use that works with your need for structure or not. I'm going to be giving you journaling prompts. They're going to help you learn to appreciate yourself more and your life. We explore identity, emotion, and time and place. Those three things are going to guarantee an enormous supply of sketchbook journaling prompts for you as you move forward. Not only are you going to become more creative on the page, you're going to be more creative in your own life. And you're going to get to see your own personal style evolve, even if you've never done any artwork at all. I really hope you'll consider joining me. We're going to have a lot of fun.